I'm quite sure this is the first time that I have totally blended in with my surroundings because, as you know, your girl just doesn't blend, okay? But we are here serving pastel rainbow realness in your face because it is now time to open up the Sugar and Sloth October Tiny Party Club box. Yes, honey, let's get into it. It's your girl Ayesha Campbell and I'm excited. I'm still trying to get over my backdrop. Like, I got it, well, about a week and a half ago, and I'm just in love with it. I am absolutely in love with it. This is basically, if I was a backdrop, it would be this, and it just matches my entire life. I mean, look at this, look at the box, like it matches everything. So thank you so much, Anita, for sending me yet another Tiny Party Club box. It feels like just the other day that I opened up two, and she was so sweet and actually said that she wanted to start sending me these on a monthly basis, and I was like, me? Yes, please. So, oh no, I've ripped the sticker. I wasn't concentrating. No! Where's my scissors? I should have used the scissors. Oh no. Okay, so I don't have scissors, so I'm using a hair clip. Don't judge me. The sticker kind of had to rip anyway, didn't it? But I was still trying to preserve it. Yay, it's here. I just love that. I love that every box says, yay, it's here as soon as you open it. Everything about this box is so damn cute. If you need some cuteness in your life, nothing too humongous and extravagant, just a little bit of cuteness in your life, get yourself a Tiny Party Club box because, like, it's just filled with joy. So here we go. I do hope that there's some confetti in this because, you know, after last week, the amount of confetti that fell out of the box, I was so happy. So let's see. Oh, of course, I forgot it all. It's all wrapped up, isn't it? So let me just very carefully. Oh, wait, no, hold on. Let me show you guys this before I end up ripping this sticker and all. Look at this. Look at this super adorable little giraffe with the rainbows. That's so cute. And I didn't know there was going to be rainbows in this. And I'm all rainbowed out today. Right, let me try not to disturb that. Okay. Now, you know I don't like to actually look before I take things out, so I'm just trying not to. There we go. All right, so first thing that I take out is this is the little leaflet that's going to tell me what's in it. I did just see the word spoopy, so I think we have a Halloween themed box. Do you know, I didn't used to get exhilarated. Oh my God, I cannot talk today. I didn't used to get excited about Halloween, but recently I've been getting into the whole like spoopy vibes. I'm living for it. Right, let's see. What have we got here? Oh my goodness. Sugar and Sloth, I like your face. Oh, these stickers are so adorable. I don't want to rip it. There we go. Let's see. What do we... No. Look at this pin. Oh my gosh. Rather spoopy deluxe enamel pin. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest little thing ever. Oh my goodness. Like, how could you say no? If this turned up on your doorstep and was like, twinkle tweet. How could you say no to this? Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this, what she's got written here. Huzzah, pumpkins. It's your new witchy bee bestie here to be your buddy, steal your cake, and cast spells on your enemies. Let me just take off these pins so I can read the rest of it. Hold on. Yeah, I love that the pins are actually little hearts as well. Okay. Please keep them away from small children, responsibility, and that messy drawer you have. Yes, I know the one. You really don't want them to end up in there. Beginner's wish spell. Write your wishes on bay leaves. When you burn the leaves, the flame of a candle, when you burn the leaves in the flame of a candle, you release your wishes into the universe, asking if it can accommodate you. P.S. Please remember, it isn't selfish to care about yourself. It's essential for your physical and mental health. Amen to that. Thank you very much. Now you can come and live on my jumper. I need to add you to my denim jacket that has pins on. Again, I didn't really used to be much of a pin collector, but now I'm kind of starting to get into it, like pins and badges and stuff. So if you know of any like really cool, cute badges or pins, do let me know about it, because like I'm kind of getting into that vibe. There you go. Can we please name the bee as well? Oh yeah, you were all giving names to the snail last time around, weren't you? I still haven't decided because the names were just so great. There was a whole list of crazy names. I quite liked Bartholomew. I thought that was quite interesting for a snail. But yes, we need to name the witchy bee, please. Okay, let's see. What else do we have? Let's pop you there. What else do we have inside? What's this? Oh, I'm seeing some more confetti. Right. I was just about to say, I wish that you would do like sticker packs. And here she is with all these stickers. How cute are these? Oh my gosh. These are adorable. Oh. Spoopy woodlouse. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. What is this? I use puns to cope with life. It's such a cute postcard. Like, these are little things that you can just like frame, really. You know, I mean, of course you can use it to send to a friend, but you know, you kind of want to just keep it for yourself, really, don't you? So there's that. Let's see, what else have we got? Oh, I picked up two things. Oh. Look at the glitter on that. I was just saying I'm getting into collecting badges and pins, and she blesses me with another one. Girl. Yes. We have a spoopy woodlouse on one side. We need to now name the spoopy woodlouse as well, please. Thank you very much. And we have our little witchy bee over here as well. And this, oh. Sorry I missed your call. I did it on purpose. Wow. This is me when like those really odd numbers call me. I'm like, yeah, sorry I missed your call. I just didn't want to try. I didn't want to talk to you. Okay, is that everything? I think that there usually tends to be about 5 things inside of the box. I'm just checking before we do the big confetti throw. Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, ooh, wave your hands in the air. Ooh, ooh, like you just don't care. Ooh, ooh, there's a party over here. Ooh, ooh, there's a party over there. Please comment if you are old enough to know that song. I can't believe I'm actually having to say that about that song. If you're old enough to know that song. My God. Anyway, this was wonderful. It just makes me feel so happy. Like, they are literally the tiniest of things, but they're little pick-me-ups. Do you know what I mean? Now, if you check out my discount code in the description box below, then you'll be able to get your Tiny Party Club at a discounted rate. I do believe that these are £12 each, and I think that you will get them for £10 if you use my discount code. So please do that, and you know, get yourself a little pick-me-up every month, because it's adorable. Anita literally has been doing this from her own house, packages up everything, you know, like managed to get this business off the ground from home. She's from the UK, one of our own, homegrown. And I'm really, really proud of her. I think she's done amazingly well. And she deserves a bit of love, really. So yeah, definitely do go ahead and check her out. So this is gonna be, this is supposed to be a magnet, I think. That feels magnetic. Let me just double check. Yes, it is a magnet, okay. I kind of want to just put it in resin and make it into a necklace, really. But that's just because I wear everything. So I'm gonna have to look into that. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.